Welcome back, children. Today we will do in Honeycomb one poem. The name of the poem is The Squirrel and it is written by Mildred Bowers Armstrong. So we all are familiar with this animal, which is very naughty and also very fun loving. So let us read the poem. He wore a question mark for tail, an overcoat of grey. He sat up straight to eat a nut. He liked to tease and play, and if he ran around his tree, he went the other way. So here the poet's imagination about the appearance and physical features of the squirrel is narrated in a simple but exquisite manner. So here we will find that how the poet has described this particular squirrel, how he looks like. Okay, so what are the features of him? So this we will come across in this poem. Now the lines: he wore a question mark for tail, an overcoat of grey. So here the stanza begins with a physical description of the squirrel. The squirrel is grey colored and therefore the poet says that he wears an overcoat of grey. So the grey color on his body, almost it looks like he is wearing a grey color overcoat. So that's why the poet has compared to the color of the skin of the squirrel to the overcoat, which is grey in color. So the grey color on his body is almost like a overcoat wearing. It appears like that he is wearing an overcoat which is of grey color. His tail is twisted like a question mark. So whenever you will see the squirrel, since his favorite food is nut, so whenever he is eating, sitting on the ground, he sits straight position, in a straight position. So his tail is twisted and it takes the shape of a question mark. So the poet has referred to his tail like a question mark. He sat up straight to eat a nut. He liked to tease and play. Further, the poet describes the food that the squirrel enjoys. He loves to eat nuts. The poet loves the game of hide and seek between him and the squirrel. Him stands for the poet. So here the favorite food of the squirrel is nuts. So he very much loved to play the game of hide and seek with the poet. So whenever the poet tries to come near to him, he hides. He don't want to face the poet. And if we ran around his tree, he went the other way. So if he went too close to the squirrel, it would run and hide in the other direction. So the squirrel is actually trying to play the game of hide and seek. So from far distance, it seems like the squirrel is welcoming the poet. But when the poet goes closer towards that squirrel, the squirrel would run and hide in the other direction. So in that manner, we can say that he loves the game of hide and seek. So children, these things were about the poet and the poem. So we just came to learn about the squirrel, that his favorite food is nut. He is a very naughty animal, and when he sits straight to eat the nut, question mark mark seems his tail, and he also likes to play hide and seek with the poet. So your homework is that you will read this poem, and it's a very beautiful poem. So try to learn it. So thank you children for listening. Goodbye.